In this video, I'll show you how to open the settings menu on your Samsung Smart TV. This works with any new models that have been produced the last 6 years. So let's get started. Now it will depend on what kind of remote control you have. Here, mine have a settings button right over there on the lower left side. If yours does not have one, I know some remote control have a circle and just a few buttons. What you need to do is to press on this home button over here. Then we're going to press the left side arrow a few times. If your remote control does not have arrows but have a circle, you're going to press on the left side of that circle a few times until you have settings highlighted there. Then you need to press OK in the middle over there. Again, if your remote control have the circle, you just need to press in the middle of that circle to make a selection. And now we have the settings menu appearing. To navigate, you need to use the up and down arrows. And one thing I need to mention is that some settings may be grayed out. You see over here, broadcasting is grayed out. And even if I go up here in pictures, picture size settings is grayed out as well. If you encounter this problem with any settings where you do not have access to them, if your remote control has the Samsung TV Plus button here, you need to press on it and then go back in the menu and the menu won't be grayed out. If your remote control does not have this button, you need to press the home button, and in the apps down below you should find Samsung TV Plus. Mine is over here. You can also press the source button. That's another way how to do it. And you should have TV appearing in one of these options. Select Samsung TV Plus. This will open, and now go back in the menu. Let's go into settings. And now many settings won't be grayed out. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.